In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DTLS connection Discord 2024. Navigating technical difficulties with software can sometimes feel daunting, but with the right guidance, you can swiftly remedy most issues, including the DTLS connection problem on Discord. DTLS, or Datagram Transport Layer security, is crucial for enhancing the security of your connection, especially during voice chats on Discord. So let's dive straight into rectifying this issue together. First things first, we need to ensure you're able to access Discord. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Discord's login page. This step is your gateway to all things Discord, where the magic of community and communication happens. Once you've reached the login page, it's time to identify yourself to the platform. Enter your email address associated with your Discord account. It's essential to ensure that you're using the correct email to avoid any login complications. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Passwords are the first line of defense in protecting your digital privacy, so make sure you type it in correctly. If you've forgotten it, take a moment to reset it through Discord's password recovery process. With your credentials correctly entered, it's now time to click on the Login button. This action will whisk you away into your Discord universe where your digital community awaits. Upon successful login, you'll land on the Discord homepage. This is where you can access all your conversations, servers, and settings. The homepage serves as your central hub for all your Discord interactions. From the homepage, navigate to your server by clicking on it. Your server is where your specific community or group hangs out, shares, and communicates. It's the heart of your Discord experience. Inside your server, look for the channel you wish to adjust and click on Edit Channel. Channels are the specific streams of conversation within your server, and editing a channel allows you to customize its settings and functionality. In the channel settings, you'll find an option labeled Region Override. This feature lets you select a server region manually, which can significantly impact your DTLS connection stability and overall voice chat quality. Clicking on Region Override allows you to select a region that might offer you a better, more secure connection. Choosing the right region for your server can be a game changer, especially if you're experiencing DTLS connection issues. Often these problems stem from network instability or regional server overload, so selecting a region closer to you or with less traffic can mitigate these issues. And there you have it. By following these simple yet precise steps, you've not only learned how to navigate Discord more adeptly, but also how to troubleshoot a DTLS connection issue effectively. Remember, the key to a smooth, secure Discord experience lies in understanding how to leverage the platform's settings to your advantage. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We started by logging into Discord, navigating to our server, and proceeding to edit a channel's settings. Specifically, we focused on the Region Override feature to address DTLS connection concerns, demonstrating how a manual region selection can enhance the security and stability of your voice chats on Discord. As you continue to explore and use Discord, keep in mind that troubleshooting issues like these isn't just about following a set of instructions. It's also about understanding the problem and thinking critically about the solutions available to you. The steps we've shared today are more than just a quick fix. They're part of a broader strategy to ensure you enjoy a secure and uninterrupted experience on one of the most popular communication platforms available today. Remember, technology is a tool that serves us best when we understand how to use it effectively and safely. So whether you're leading a server, managing a community, or just hanging out with friends on Discord, empowerment comes with knowledge and the confidence to apply it. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide not only helps you resolve any DTLS connection issues you may encounter on Discord, but also enhances your overall experience on the platform. Stay connected, stay secure, and as always, happy Discording.